Cardiovascular disease is the leading cause of admissions among the elderly population. There are a couple ways to prevent being diagnosed with cardiovascular disease, 3 of which include proper diet, daily exercise, and smoking cessation. By changing certain habits, an individual can decrease their chances of having cardiovascular disease or any cardiac problems. Exercising daily, along with proper nutrition, increase blood flow and motility to the heart. It decreases issues such as coronary artery disease, and it provides for a better functioning cardiac system. Maintaining a healthy weight is imperative. It decreases the chances of developing fluid overload, and it increases cardiac functioning. If there is excessive weight, the heart is having to work that much harder to provide blood, not only to your organs, but also to the other parts of your body, such as your arms, your legs, your feet. According to the article, Who is Affected by Cardiovascular Disease in 2014, those who suffer from obesity increase their risk of developing cardiac issues, such as high blood pressure. One way to limit your diet or to improve your diet would be to limit your sodium intake. Too much sodium can cause fluid buildup in the heart, thus increasing your chances of developing cardiovascular disease. According to the article Salt Effects on Your Body in 2008, excessive sodium does not allow the kidneys to pull the extra fluid in your body to the bladder, thus causing fluid overload. With fluid overload, the heart is having to work that much harder to provide not only blood to the organs, but also the extra weight that you are carrying. If the kidneys cannot pull the extra fluid out, that means that your body is holding on to that fluid. Now that we talked about proper diet, let's talk about the exercising. Exercising daily increases blood flow to your heart. It allows the blood to move from your legs up to your heart. And it can decrease your chances of clots. When the body is immobile, blood just sits and it gathers, and it can thicken and it can clot. When your blood clots, it can actually send clots to your lungs or to your heart. When the blood is still, it is called venous stasis. Most times that occurs in the legs, and when a person does get up to move or do excessive exercise, they end up throwing a clot that goes to the heart or the lungs. Smoking cessation is also very important. Smoking can develop or form plaque in your arteries. High cholesterol is caused from excessive plaque buildup in your arteries. In the article Who is Affected by Cardiovascular Disease in 2014, they emphasize that smoking causes the plaque formation in the arteries, also known as atherosclerosis. When you have atherosclerosis, the heart is having to pump or push the blood more forcefully through your arteries, thus causing the workload of your heart to increase. Excessive plaque buildup can cause heart attacks or strokes. In conclusion, it's very important that people know the importance of proper diet, daily exercise, and smoking cessation. The effects that these 3 issues can have on your body is massive. Just limiting or cutting back on smoking can decrease your chances of having cardiovascular disease. Increasing exercise daily, it's usually recommended that 30 minutes a day or 2.5 hours a week is necessary to keep your body functioning and the cardiac system healthy. Just by maintaining a healthy diet and exercising daily, you can decrease your risk of cardiovascular disease.